Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Motri. If you're here watching this video right now, you want to learn more about how to get started with affiliate marketing, then this is the right channel for you. Now, if you like this content and you want to see videos like this, then make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and make sure you turn on those notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, for those who are probably new and into the affiliate marketing space, maybe you probably do not know what is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is, as an affiliate, you promote other business products and services and make commission. Okay, so you can make a small percentage of commission every time a person buys a product. So that means you get a percentage of commission. All right. So what you're going to do, you want to head over to a website called clickbank.com. Now, most of you guys who probably don't know about ClickBank, or most of you guys might know about it. But if we check our similar web right now, I can tell you right now that how many people that visit this website monthly, you get over 3 million visitors monthly every single month when people come here to visit ClickBank, especially as a beginner or somebody who's been doing it for quite a time. So basically, guys, what we're going to do, I want you to register for your account. You're going to hit start here and register for your account. It only takes about 5 minutes to get everything set up, okay? And make sure you want to set up your payment threshold the way you want to get paid. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, or check, however you want. So just make sure you fill that out, all right? So without that being said, let me log in and show you right now, guys. Let's get right into it right now. So what you want to do, you want to go to Marketplace, okay? Go to Marketplace. And then for this particular method, we're going to focus on the keto diet plan, okay? So that's what we need. We need the keto diet plan, all right? So if I type in, if I go over here to health and fitness, okay? And then we can sort this by gravity. And then we can come all the way down. And then what we can do, we could type in keto. How about that? Keto. All right. So we typed in keto spread, keto bread, keto design. Okay. So now, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're going to click on here. Okay. All right, this is the keto diet. This is the keto plan, that keto bread that is healthy for people who wants to lose weight. So basically, if you want to get right, you have to eat right instead of eating junk food, because junk food is not going to help you. So these are the keto recipes that people that wants to learn more about how to get their weight and how to get their body right by eating keto bread. So we're gonna close this. Now we're gonna check this affiliate supports page, and then we could download this. So now before we do that, you want to go to a website called Sitame.io. All right, Sitame.io. I will leave it in the description. I'll leave the link in the description, so that way you can get full access. Okay. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna sign up. You're gonna register your free account, and I want you to register for your free account. I want you to sign in, because we're gonna do this together. Okay, we're gonna put this thing together. All right, and then what you want to do, you want to go to funnels, and then you want to create a funnel. And then we're gonna call this one keto bread recipes. All right, and then we're gonna build our audience. All right. We do not need a thank you letter. We do not need a thank you page. We're only gonna create a squeeze page. That's all we need. Now the thing what we need now, we need to get something like this right here. This is gonna able to work for us, okay? So we're gonna select that, and then we're gonna hit edit page, okay? Because I'm gonna tell you guys how to drive traffic to your to a free, there's a free private website that you can go to, but it's public. But I'm going to show you how to get free targeted traffic without even spending money on ads. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this. All right. So basically, we're going to replace this, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I just did that already. So basically, what I'm going to do now, I already did what I had to do. So I uploaded this. So now what we're going to do. We're going to go to our affiliate link, and we're going to go back to ClickBank and hit promote, create a hop link, copy, and then we're going to come back to our website, and we're going to post this affiliate link in there. Okay, so that means it's already saved. Okay, so we're going to save this, and then look, it looks completely finished. All right. So basically what we're going to do now, hold on 1 second, let me put this in bold, and then, okay, there we go. Alright, so that's it, guys. So we're going to save this, and now the next step, what we want to do, we want to look at it real quick, and it looks pretty good. This is the keto meal plan right here, guys. This is the keto book that people can download for free, because we're gonna exchange for this book. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. So now what we want to do, we want to exit out of here. Okay. Now the next step, what we want to do, we want to come to a website called Pexels.com, but what we're gonna do, we're going to look for something like keto bread. Okay, a keto bread. So we're gonna look for something that's more genuine. Okay. So basically, this is how it is right here. Okay, and then that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look for keto bread. Like a good keto bread. Okay, we're gonna go for which one is this one? We're gonna go for this one. No. That one is not free. Let's pick one. I'm gonna pick a good one so we can post this on Pinterest, okay? Because I'm gonna show you how to get free traffic with Pinterest. So just give me a moment. Bear with me for a second. Scrolling down. Okay, we're gonna do this one. Forget it. All right, we got that one. So now the next step, what we want to do now, we want to come to a website called Pinterest.com. So what you want to do, it's free to create your business account, and then once you create your business account, what you're gonna do, you're gonna create your pin. Okay, so create your pin. Actually, let me show you mine. Okay, so this is my Pinterest business account. So basically, you're gonna have your own affiliate link, whether if you have a business or if you have affiliate marketing business, or if you have your own type of business that you're running right now, you can also put your affiliate link and put a little bit about yourself and about the company a little bit, so that way people can understand when they click on your link. So when they look at your bio or when they look at your profile, they will see that that you have like some visitors, monthly visitors, checking you out and stuff, and checking out your pins and stuff. So that's very, very important. All right, so basically, guys, what you want to do, you want to come over here to create your pin, and then what we're going to do, we're going to upload it right here, and then bam, we upload it right there. And then what we want to name this title, we want to name this title like this, okay? So we're going to go back, and we're going to name this title, we're going to close this out, and then we're going to go back to ClickBank, and then we're going to go here, And then we're going to name this one right here. We're going to say, we're going to come up with a good one actually. We're going to come out with a good one. No, I'm gonna look for a good one, guys. Give me 1 second. Do this one. So now we're gonna go back to Pinterest and we're gonna paste that in there, and that's it. Bam, bada bing, bada boom. All right. And then what we're gonna do now, we don't have to put anything for this one, but if we want, we're gonna say, hey, if you are someone who is ready, who is looking. Actually, you know what? We ain't gotta say nothing. Okay, we just post it. We could post our affiliate link right here. So once we're done, we're going to do this. Okay, we can close this. Now we can place our affiliate link right here, our landing page, and then bam. Then what we want to do, want to come over here. We want to search for a keto meal plan. Okay, we're gonna search for keto. We're gonna say we're gonna create a board. Okay, so we're gonna say keto bread recipes. All right, and then we're gonna create that. And now what we're gonna do, actually, you know what? We should put a call to action. I'm like, hey, if you want to learn more about how to get your keto bread, how to cook your keto diet bread, please be sure to click the pin for more info. All right, and that'll be it. Okay, so that's what we want to do. Okay, guys. All right, and then after that, and then we just paste it, and that's how we get free traffic, guys. So you always want to do that when you driving traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, you do not want to just keep grabbing your affiliate link and then start spamming. That's not the proper way to do affiliate marketing. You have to show value to able to see results. Okay, so if you want to make results, you have to show value. You have to give value so people can learn more about you and learn more about the product that you are promoting, especially as a beginner. So this is why most affiliates marketers fail, is because they don't know how to promote products besides grabbing their link and spamming their links on Facebook and other social media platforms. That's not the proper way to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, the best way to do affiliate marketing the right way is to give value. Okay, that's the only important thing, is to give value. So So just in case, like, okay, if a customer or a member wants to join under you, or somebody that's looking to make money online, somebody that's looking to lose weight, somebody that wants to learn more about keto diet, meal plan, recipe, learn how to cook, those are the things that's very important. Okay, so don't ever spam your links on different social media, because I'm telling you right now, you might be in a struggle situation that you're gonna get pissed off, and then you're gonna immediately quit. So you don't not want to quit. Just keep going until you make something happen. Okay? This is why I'm making the video, for a reason. Because most of you guys that I see on here that spam their links on Facebook and Instagram and all that, that's not the proper way to do affiliate marketing. This is the best way to do it, the right way to do affiliate marketing. Like I said, you have to show value. Okay? If you do not show value, how are you going to have customers to click on your link and decide to buy a product that no longer is yours, but you are promoting it from a vendor, because the vendor is paying you. They paying you a commission of the cut. For them, they allowing you to promote their products so they can make money, and so you can make money. Okay? That's how it works. The best way to do it that way is to learn. Okay? Is to learn, not to go around spamming your links on social media like Facebook. You do not want to do that, because Facebook automatically will ban you from there. Okay? They get tired of hearing people doing that. Okay? So if you want to learn more about that, just make sure you click the links down below and send me comment down below wherever you at, whether you're in the United States or a different country, however. But if you want to learn more about my #1 affiliate marketing, and you want to learn how to get started by making money, by making $2,000 per day, then go ahead and click that link down below, so that way you'll be redirected. All right? So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And make sure you hit that subscribe, make sure you give your boy a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. All right, y'all, peace.